Okay, so is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
That's great. So before we proceed to the week 4 or the module 4, let's go back to week 1 and 2. So does anyone has a question or clarification so far on the week 1 and 2? If none, you guys can just simply give me give thumbs up to let me know that you guys don't have a question. So it seems that most of you doesn't have a question. Then let's proceed now to week 3 and 4. So we are already done with the week 3, which is the Kirchhoff's law. So I did this one last week, including the quiz. So for today, the only additional is of course the watch videos or the video for the module 4, since I already published this one last week, the PDF itself for the module 4. So the only additional one is the video for the Maxwell loop itself, or the module 4, and the quiz for the Maxwell, okay, which will be due on June 6th. So yeah, and then one more thing that I will do for today is, so let me just show this one to you guys. So the highest is 86%. So that's the good news, a good news for me. However, we have some low score, which is maybe 0 out of the total score, which is 110, and then some got a score of let's see, 25, 35, which is of course you know not a passing score. So what I will do is, for those who got a low score or even those who got a high score, so I'll I'll be giving you guys another attempt. So instead of having a one attempt only, so I'm giving you guys two attempts. Okay, so for those who haven't taken quiz 3, the Kirchhoff's law quiz 3, so you guys have a total of two attempts, and then for those who are already done with the quiz 3, you can, you have another chance. You can take it once again, so that if you have a higher score on the second attempt, then that will be the one that will be recorded. Okay, whichever score is higher, so don't you guys worry. Whichever score is higher, that will be the one that will be recorded. So yeah. So this is to give chance for those who got a low score on this quiz. Okay, and this is to give chance for those who got a high score to perfect this one. Okay, instead of getting, let's see, 86 something or 80 plus score, since that's not exactly 86, of course, since this is 110 points. So yeah, you can get more for this one. Okay. However, of course, the due date of this one will be until today only. So you guys still have 9 hours, less than 8 hours, 8 hours and 20 minutes to retake the Kirchhoff's law. So are we clear for this one, for the Kirchhoff's law?
Yes, sir.
All right. So yeah, that's all only. Well, of course, just do this one once you're done in the module for itself, and then the video itself for the so yeah, that is all that I want to see for today's meeting, for this lecture. And then again, just a reminder, we'll be having a meeting for tomorrow for your laboratory, for those who have a laboratory. So afternoon, right? We have two section, not this one. Your section is section B. I forgot to mention this one, but we can actually have two groups starting from 3:30 to 5:30. Okay, because our problem 2 weeks ago is that Sir Marcelo, the custodian, will already go home at exactly 5 p.m. So maybe we can only have a meeting of 3:30 to 5:30 only. So that instead of having group one and group two, how do I delete this one? Hmm, na lang. I'll delete everything from group two and have a one group only. So all of you guys will be attending starting from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. So a total of 28 students. So I'm not sure if all of you will be present anyway. So yeah, maybe 20 or 25. Okay. Well, I think we can accommodate at least six groups. Okay, since we have one, two, three, four, five, maybe five groups. Okay. So maybe six people each table. But anyway, so we'll see. Okay, so we will have maybe two submission or four submission or five submission of papers since having maybe 14. Yeah, let's say group one is one paper only, right? And then group two is another paper for the lab number four. So maybe we can have four instead of two groups only. Okay. But anyway, I will talk about this one tomorrow. So yeah, I will announce also anyway regarding with this one that we will only meet starting from 3:30 to 5:30 tomorrow. So I hope we're clear with this one. So any complaints so far? Or do
Sir,
you
I have
guys?
a question for the for the face-to-face meeting tomorrow.
Yes, pardon.
Sir, I have a question concerning the meeting tomorrow.
Okay,
Sir,
so
do we
what?
have to bring anything like a printed copy of a lab work or anything of the sort, sir?
Yeah, you guys need to print a it's similar whatever you guys have brought last meeting. You guys need to print the laboratory number four. You can just simply bring the one that you guys had last meeting. So just make sure that it's neat. Okay, so minor erasures. Yeah, that's all on me. That's a printed copy. So wala nang iba. Okay. So calculator, of course, if you guys will be needing a calculator. And then,
Okay, sir, thank you.
ano yan? What is that?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, any other concerns? What about the others? So, are you guys okay with this setup from 3:30 to 5:30 only? So, I hope it's also okay with the others since there's only two who gave me thumbs up. Yeah, 3:30 lahat. Okay, starting from 3:30 to 5:30 only. Since Sir Marcelo will go home at exactly maybe 5, so maybe we can ask him to, stay until 5:30. Wala kasing pagbabalikan ng gamit. We cannot, I cannot bring back the items anymore, and then it's quite risky. So if one item, got lost, let's see, the power supply or any, okay, baka i-charge sa atin or maybe sa akin lang. Okay? So yun yung kinakatakot ko. Wala pa man din akong pera. Alright. Anyway, so that is my only concern. So we will find ways for you guys to be fit in one room. Okay, for a total of 3 days. So, I think enough naman yun. Kasyang-kasya kayo. Alright. So anyway, you guys don't have a question anymore, that is all for today. Okay, so we'll just discuss the week 5 and 6 next meeting. Next week, Tuesday, Monday rather. So yeah, that is all. Goodbye and take care, everyone. last data.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Sir,
sir.
bye sir, happy friend.
Happy friend. Happy friend.
Bye, sir.
What was that for, happy friend? Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga pinagsasabi nyo. Anong happy friend?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nice hair, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you sir, nice cut sir.
haircut. Oo. Init kasi.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.